Cedar River R22 system, new compressor in 2015, 19.4 pounds of R22 was placed in it in 2015, I believe. Anyway, evaporator coil has a couple leaks. I'll show you that in a second, but this is the condenser coil, and I got obvious signs of oil all up and down here, but I have a leak now, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, looks like, yeah, 4 condenser coil repairs, and obviously that's all still fresh oil. So there's another leak. You can see the butchery up there, and we now have this one and this one on the evaporator. So I don't know, that's what's going on here.